How do you convince your wife you need an El Camino? It's quite simple. You have to have a need for this car. And if you explain to her you'll be able to buy trees and shrubs for her, I'm sure, positively sure, that she will allow you to have your dream car. This is a 1985 El Camino SS.
Yeah.
It's almost a shame to use it as a delivery truck. Want to tell us about your car?
That's her husband.
I don't know a whole lot about it, except for he loves it.
Does he know you're using it as a truck like this?
Yes, he does. He's the one that told us we could take it.
Oh, I don't know if I would ever.
I think it's a couple car shows too.
Oh my.
And it has one in several car shows.
It's got a rubber mat back here.
Could I open it up to see inside? Thank you. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? How many miles are on it?
Couldn't tell you.
Couldn't tell me. Okay.
I said, first time I ever drove, he just gave it to me to go down and get the files. You got, 144,000.
144,000. Boy, that is in sharp, pristine condition.
Yeah.
Almost a shame to use it as a delivery vehicle, but that's what it is. It is what it is. Okay, thank you very much. These river birch trees, we have a special for the year 2012. As long as I have these in stock, and I only have 5,000 of them, we will sell you 2 of these river birch trees for deer hunters. If you're a deer hunter, you qualify. You'll get 2 of these river birch trees for $35 a piece. And if you actually bring me a locust, cedar, or a pressure-treated fence post, a 6x6 by 12 foot, or a used hose caddy, I'll let you hunt free for a day. And if you get a deer, you get 3 more free days. And if you get 2 deer, you get all the rest of the season to hunt here at Highland Hill Farm in Doylestown. Plus, I pay you $25 US. So, let's take the challenge and see if you can plant some trees and if you can shoot some deer. So give us a call at 215-651-83